Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you're trying to figure out how to change the batteries on your GLEDLOVES LED gloves. It's very easy to do. All you need to do, the first thing to do, kind of the hardest thing to do is to get the batteries. You need some CR2016 batteries. And if you don't have them, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them on Amazon for really cheap. But anyways, all you need to do is come in and on the back of the wrist of the glove where you turn it on or off, on the inside, you'll just turn the glove inside out. On the inside of the glove, you'll see there's a little piece of Velcro. If you pull on that piece of Velcro, you'll be able to pull out the little battery pack and pop it open. And from there, it's real easy. You just take out your CR2016 batteries and put in new ones, and then you just close it, slide it back in, close the Velcro, and you're done. And then if you do it on the other side, then you charge the batteries, you put new batteries in both sides at the same time, and you'll have good batteries for the same amount of time. Thanks for watching.